Oh my gosh, guys. What is up, guys? Tristan here with another video. So today we have a special video, and it's been so long. It's been 3 months since I made the last video, and now I'm starting YouTube again. So I didn't record all of this other stuff, school and stuff. So thank you very much, and let's get on with the video. So today I actually have a special guest, and what are all these? Well, these are Rubik's Cubes. So, like I said, my collection video, which was like 5 months ago, I made with 8 Rubik's Cubes. And now, as you can see, these aren't my Rubik's Cubes. So I have my friends behind the camera, and her name is Michaela. You can come. Alright, so this is her. And so what we're going to do is we're going to mix up every Rubik's Cube. So in total we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 Rubik's Cubes. Right here. We're going to mix it up. We're going to time lapse. But first, I will do a 3x3 solve right now, which counts as 1. So you're going to pick what 3x3 you're going to do.
Alright, I'm going to give you your GAN.
Alright, so this is the GAN 356 Air. This has no magnets, and it's stickered. So let's do this. So I have to stack my timer right here, and we're gonna do 1 solve. So this counts as 1. So I'm gonna move all of this down. Alright. Also, I forgot to tell you. You have 5 seconds to subscribe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you subscribe, that would be awesome. Let's do at least 5 likes. Alright, at least 5 likes. Also, please subscribe once again, and let's get on. Alright, so I'm going to turn it on. Alright, you're going to mix it out for me. Yeah, bleep it out. Alright, here we go.
Alrighty.
And then at the end of the video, we are going to write,
Alrighty,
which is super exciting.
15-second inspection.
Alright. Alright. This is so nerve-wracking. Alright. Oh, my bad. Alright. Okay, here we go. So, I'm going to do my inspection. And I'm going to start right now. Alright, I mean, this time was okay for, you know, but I got my first.
44 plus 3.
44 plus 3, because I got
a
it off
plus
the
2
mat.
and a plus 1.
So, but, bleep that out too. Alright, so,
That's 1 out of the
that's one out of the 5. Alright, so I'm going to start the time lapse right now.